Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable bug report shortcut in the power menu on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In here, you want to go down and tap on developer options, and then go down and tap on bug report shortcut. So tap on the switch to turn it on or turn it off. Once it is switched on, it can show a button in the power menu for taking a bug report. So if I swipe down and tap on the power button, now in here you can see at the bottom there is a button called bug report, so we can tap on that to generate the report. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And here it is. You can see the bug report is now being generated. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.